a voice of inspiration before we end with a tefillah, a beautiful tefillah, a woman's tefillah, women from around the world praying for the welfare of the state of Israel. We ask Yemima Mizrachi to uplift us. Before we conclude, we're going to be concluded with words of Yemima Mizrachi, a prayer, a woman's prayer for the welfare of the state of Israel, and Acheinu Kol Beit Yisrael by the Maccabees and Hatikva. But before we have these final tefillot and heartfelt songs together, Rabbanit Yemima, please uplift us and inspire us to the times we're living in and what we ought to be aligned with at this challenging yet privileged time.
Shalom. There are so many reasons to thank for and to say Hallel for. So many miracles are happening, and still the question I'm being asked the most is, how do we overcome fear and anxiety? What's the definition of fear or anxiety? It's something with no definition, something with no limits. We do not know how this whole thing is going to proceed. So when something has no definition, when we do not know when it starts and when it ends, we are full of fear. That's exactly what happens to the Meraglim in our parasha, Parashat Shlach Lecha. Therefore, the one and only thing which really comes down anxiety and fears are limits and borders. And these are the 4 secrets of these parasha. Borders of clothes, of how you dress. Borders of food. Borders of what you watch and how long. And borders of speech. You have to put borders to the way you dress up. We are all at home so many days and nights. We do not pay attention when we dress up. Even at home, something in the anxiety comes down. It's written in our parasha that tzitzit, it has 4 sides. It puts you in limits. It comes down your imagination, which can really frighten you so much. Ureitem oto uzchartem. We are in Shabbat Mevarchim Tammuz, and Tammuz is the time when the eyes are showing us frightening things. The Meraglim are walking and seeing frightening things in Eretz Yisrael. And Am Yisrael, 17 בתמוז, וירא העם כי בושש משה לבוא. And imagination starts drawing frightening drawings. So the first thing is the way we dress, tzitzit. Second thing, emotional eating all the time, ochel. This is the challah. The challah has really very, very specific quantities. It must be done in a very certain way, because when we are scared, chalchala, anxiety, we have to put limits also in what we eat. The third thing are the eyes. ולא תטורו אחרי עיניכם ואחרי לבבכם. How many hours do you spend with the screens, with news? You are watching things which really makes you anxious. לא תטורו. And the 4th thing, the mouth. The Lashon Hara, the Meraglim spoke, and it's true, they were really hysterical, they were scared. Pay attention in those moments. Instead of saying 4 words, Ki Chazak Hu Mimenu, you can say 4 words, which are Tova Haaretz, Meod, Meod. So these are the 4 Gvulot. We are the Mishmar HaGvul, the army which guards the border and the limits of this nation, the spiritual ones and the physical one. Gvul, begimatria, in numbers, is M. Mothers as if you did not have enough to do. You are the Mishmar HaGvul. Food, dress, speech, watch. בהצלחה.